Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have, well, it's supposed to be adding to my melting basket, but this looks like a whole month's worth of wax here. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. So I have been having such a hard time with getting throughout like my main living areas. Whenever that starts to happen, I always run back to my Super Tarts. Like my Super Tarts, I can put an entire clam through my kitchen and living room, and I can almost always, like 9 out of 10 times, get a throw. I don't know if it's the AC. I'm gonna try moving some of my warmers around to see if maybe it's that, but my Super Tarts always throws, so I don't really think it's my warmer or warmer placement, but I think maybe some waxes just need a different warmer. I don't really know. So I'm gonna kind of mess around with that this week as well, but in the meantime, I'm just like, I wanna put a Super Tarts scent on that I can put through the entire house and call it done, instead of trying to mess with all these other waxes and try to figure out warmers and all this other crap. So I pulled more than just Super Tarts, but I wanted to add some Super Tarts clamshells to my existing pile because I don't have much Super Tarts. I'm just starting to besides Super Tarts, I would say, well, I'll talk about it when I get to it. So I pulled Merlin, which is silver birch, cashmere, and vetiver. This one smells amazing. This one almost kind of reminds me of Christmas, actually. So I don't know why I pulled that one, but it just smelled good. I was like, screw it. I'll probably grab another one before Christmas if it comes back around. The Red Woman, which is fruitcake. I grabbed a Hufflepuff. Now this is pretty new to me still, but I am gonna try that. I think it's only had, let's see, when did I get that? Maybe a month ago, so we'll give it a shot. American Werewolf, which is from Wax Wednesday. This one smells good. I finally got Buffy, so I have one thing of Buffy left. One little cube, but I can use it now because I have more. Happy Birthday, which I have another clamshell in. I'm probably going to mix this with Rain, and there was something else that she had mixed this with at some point. I'm going to have to search the group and see what comes up. I have Winchester Ink, which is black raspberry pie and, what does that say? Oh, salted watermelon taffy. Christmas Vacation, which I know is kind of a weird one to use right now. It's 3 cubes, so I just decided I wanted to use it up. I'm trying to make room. I'm getting a lot of Super Tarts clamshells in recently, so I need room. King Joffrey, which is wedding cake and ceremonial pie. I've never tried this one. If you've tried King Joffrey, let me know. I know I've seen people review it before, but I can't remember what the consensus is on that. Strawberry Nonsense. This one has been a strong performer for me from the Bathing Garden in the past, so I pulled that one. Susan, now if I remember, this one is a medium thrower, so, but this one I can do like probably in the bedroom slash kitchen, and it'll be fine. Next I have Winds in the East, which is fresh strawberry and rain. Sounded perfect for now. I have Genie, which this one smells so good. It smells, even though it has like a lot of woods and crisp fall air, I don't know, it just smells like a pretty summer scent to me also. I don't know why. It smells pretty. Okay, then I have Genosha. I can't even remember how to pronounce that. It's Genosha. Pineapple, creamsicle, rock candy. That's perfect for summer. La Push, which I really enjoyed from my previously warm reviews, but I only have 2 cubes, so I decided I was going to finish that out. So I did grab Jelly Jammin' Dinner Rolls. So this one I haven't warmed in a while. I think I only have 1 clamshell of that, so I hope I don't like love it or anything. The Hurrier I Go, the Behinder I Get, which is Raspberry Zinger, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Satsuma. I have Cujo, which you can kind of see. I was listening to, I think it was Nicole, And I think she was saying that she smelled a fragrance, like a perfume or cologne. So I'm gonna have to investigate that, because you know, that would make sense with the warm vanilla sugar and brown sugar figs. Like, it could just be a dupe of a fragrance. And now that I kind of smell it, I can kind of like understand where it would be like a cologne or a perfume or something. Cinderella would be jealous, which is a snow cake dupe. I've had this one for a while. See how that one does. If you hear noises out there, our fence is being worked on, so we took down our entire back fence, and now we're the neighbor and my husband are working hand in hand to put up a new fence together. So my husband went out there yesterday and took down, in the 100 and something degree heat, and took down 3 parts of the fence. The neighbor took down one part, and then my husband took out the other part. So my husband got it down in like 30 minutes, and the guy behind us is an older man. So it took him a little bit longer, but I was like, I don't want you guys out there. It's like super hot. I don't want anybody getting dehydrated. So I finally had to call my husband in. I'm like, okay, you've had enough for today, I think. Because I just didn't want him to overwork. Okay, Pam's Pipes, sorry. Total, like, not important. This is agave lime, salted tequila, lemon, and tangerine. So I need to get through some of my bathing garden. I have a lot. Let's Go Fly a Kite, which is copper tone, strawberry cotton candy. Hades and Persephone, which I don't have scent notes, but I'll get them before I do a warm review. But I have like 3 of those clamshells. I loved that scent when it came out, or when I first got my hands on it. Okay, so I have the Reddest Crown from Bathing Garden. This is Flaky Pie Crust, Sweet Sugar Strawberries, Tart Rhubarb. And then I have Cookie Dough, Hot Orange Danish. This is a Pop-Tart. This I got from, gosh, a while ago. It's when she did the Easter one-offs. Gosh, how many years ago was that? 2? I don't know why. I have this box of fall that I had pulled, and I grabbed a bunch of stuff out of there. So I have 2 from Sassy Girl Aroma. I have Bake Off. I only have, well, I have 3 cubes in there, I guess. So this is more of like a fall scent, but whatever. And then Jelly Donuts Cookie Monster. I think I only have 2 cubes left of that. So I'm trying to get through my Sassy Girl bags. You can see the older label on there as well. I don't know how many times she's changed her label now at this point. So I have a little bit of lemon poppy seed cake left from Rose Girls. I've been craving like bakery type scents. So Streuselkuchen, which I have quite a bit of that. I want to mix this with, I had something to mix this with. Now I can't remember what, but I was craving bakery. So then I have vanilla ice cream. I just thought this would be a good blender with some of these scents. I grabbed some Singing in the Rain. So I have about that much. Oh, that's right. I was going to grab my cotton candy frosting to mix with, what was I going to mix cotton candy frosting with? Oh, shoot. I had something, I had an idea, like it was late last night before I was falling asleep, and I was like, oh, I need to grab my cotton candy frosting for something. So Americana smoothie, I just have a little bit left. Gonna finish that off. There's no reason to hang on to that big bag for just that. I have Jacked Up from Rose Girls. I think this is a coffee blend. Yeah, hazelnut mocha, that label's all jacked up. Hazelnut mocha, espresso, sugar milk, Rice Krispie treats. From L3 Waxy Wonders, I have this 4-pack bag of rice, flour, shea, warm vanilla sugar, coconut milk. So these bags that I have with these 4-packs, I feel a little sticky, so I've been trying to get through some L3. Plus I have more coming from L3, like a ton, so I need to get that. Dunk My Donut, which is sweet buttery glaze cinnamon donuts. Oh, I was probably going to mix some vanilla ice cream with this. I might mix it with the, I don't know, I might mix it with a bunch of stuff. I've been trying to grab from the Super Tarts area, some of the older stuff. Not older, but I was really craving this scent. Salty Sea Air, Golden Sands, which is the Yankee dupe, and Hard Candies. So that one sounds really good. Snooze Button from L3, which I think is either a lavender blend or peppermint. I have two different ones. Where's the other one? Okay, I thought I got the other one. Okay, well, I don't know where it went. Okay, Snooze Button. I probably dropped it somewhere. From Empire Alchemy, I grabbed Pacific Coast Highway, which you can see, like, this is perfect summer scents. I love the shapes in here as well. And then Capistrano Beach, which is another super pretty bag of shapes. I see some seashells and some pretty gold pieces. Rain, which I just have a little bit left. That'll probably get mixed with Happy Birthday. I have a Sway With Me, which you can see there's rum sucked pineapple, upside down cake, brown sugar, angel food cake, fresh mango hint. Anyways, whatever that last one is, I don't want to butcher that, so that's that. Okay, and then I really like this scent from Sassy Girl, which is Sit and Spin. So this is one of her laundry blends. So my thought here is, with grabbing some of these, is I'm just gonna take the whole bag and spread it through my entire house so I can just get one scent going, because for some reason when I seem to be putting like one thing here, one thing there, one thing there, it's just very hard to get a scent through. So I'm just like, screw it. You know what? Just start putting the crap, just start putting it throughout the entire house instead of trying to, like with the AC going, it's just so hard. So this one is French Toast Wake and Bake. Again, I said I was really craving like bakery scents recently. Sea Witch from Tiffany Candles. This is one of my favorite scents from her. I think I've said this before, but it's kind of the base of Jaws scent from Super Tarts. It's like that Salty Sea Air, Ozone, Dune Grass. What else is in Jaws? Besides the peach and the plum. I think Brandy adds peach and plum to Jaws to make it Jaws. This is really old or older. Stardust, Lunar Eclipse, Fairy Dust, Cotton Candy Frosting. Whoops. I have this big bag of pita from Super Tarts, so I have about that much. I thought this would be really good to mix with coffee. It'd be good to mix with bakery. It's an all-around good mixer scent, but it's also good alone too. I've kind of been sitting on this scent for a while. This is Gain and Fresh Strawberries from Super Tarts. Espresso Waffle Cone Cookies. This one sounds really good. Again, with the bakery, I was like, this one sounds good too. Coffee Bean Butter Brickle Vanilla Butter Fudge from L3 Waxy Wonders. That sounds like a nice morning blend. I have Rose Girls Sandra D, which I really need to get through this bag. I got this in a D stash, and I have a whole like half pie, so I did grab, let's see. Oh, here's that other one I was looking for. So I grabbed Sweet Dreams from L3. I think this one might be the lavender blend. It's either lavender or peppermint. I can't remember. Then I have Augustus, which I can't read that, but it's like chocolate orchid. Something with orange marmalade, I believe. I can't read it. This bag is so old. This is French Baguette. I don't even know what happened to this. This was in my fall bin as well. Everything that was in that fall bin just got real funky. So I'm going to see how that does actually. I have Laurie Strode from Empire Alchemy, which is so weird because I didn't like this one at first. I remember I had talked about it in my warm reviews and everyone was like, if you want to get rid of that one, let me know. But now I like it. It smells better to me for some reason now. Not sure why. I have Pan de Sal, or however that's pronounced. This is Soft Sweet bread fresh out of the oven, smeared with hot butter. Yum. Hello Hydration, coconut water, lemongrass, cucumber, white tea. I mean, how good does that sound? Okay, and then everything else in here is just all samples, so I'm not going to go through all those, but I have Spit Spot from Super Tarts. So my goal is to warm. My goal is to warm like a mofo. Oh, Key Lime and La Push. This one sounds really good from Super Tarts. And then I guess I'll go through these samples really fast in case you might be interested. I have a ton of Empire Alchemy little samples in these bags, and I feel like I really should try to get through some of these. Cedarwood and Cotton, Black Sea Vanilla Apple, Ocean Breeze and Fresh Linen, Santal Almond Cream and Cedarwood. I might even mix some of these because honestly, like some of these are, I feel like sometimes they do good in the bathroom, sometimes they don't. It depends on how many ounces they are. Earl Grey Tea, Dried Apple Slices, Flannel Sheets. Bahama Mama from Hayden Rowe. I don't really order from Hayden Rowe. I don't know why. I don't have any like specific reason. The classic pipe tobacco Midsummer's Night smoldered marshmallow. Rabbit Moon, which is white floral, bergamot, tonka bean, oak moss, hint of raspberry. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to go through all these because I have quite a few. The only one I do have that is not Empire Alchemy. Oh, I do have Sunkiss from Teddy Bees, which is like a, it almost smells like a sunscreen. Oh, maybe not. What is Sunkiss? Oh, maybe it has like coconut in it or something. Oh, the two that I grabbed that are not Empire Alchemy from Rainbow Melts. Yeah, the rest are Empire Alchemy. The two I grabbed from Rainbow Melts are Plum Spooky and Coconut Sandalwood. And then really quick, I'm just going to show you this bin I have. I got this bin from, where's Marshall's? Yeah, it was like a 3-pack. So in here I have a ton, sorry, I don't have any room. I have a ton of Wicks that I need to get through. So yeah, I plan on using maybe these in the bed, using these in the bedroom. I don't know how many ounces these are. We can look on the back here and see if we can see. Nah, I don't see it. Is it? Oh, 1.25 ounces. There it is. So it's 1.25 ounces of wax. So I was trying to decide if I'm going to do them by themselves or if I might try to slice and dice a few of these to mix to make like 2 ounces for the bedroom. See if I can get through them by mixing them a little bit faster. But I don't hate Wicks, but I think their wax is a little bit more on the pricey side from what I've been looking at. So I kind of want to get through my Wicks to see if there's anything that I'm like, ooh, I need to go back and order some more at some point. Because I haven't ordered from Wicks in a while, and I really want to test out like their throw more thoroughly. So yeah, okay, so I will be back with some hauls and warm reviews because I think my box is getting to the point where it's time. Okay, that is it, you guys. If you guys have any suggestions for the AC, if you guys are struggling with scent throw as well, I'd love to know because honestly, like, I'm over it. I'm getting so frustrated with some of my wax. I'm just like, really? So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I always appreciate your comments, your support, all that fun jazz. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.